So welcome to Zamboanga Sibugay Polytechnic Institute, your accredited center, assessment center for agricultural crops production MC2. So yesterday I visited the assessment center and checked all the facilities, materials, tools, and equipment, and are all in good conditions and fully functional. So before we proceed, my name is Mr. Reggie Campadong Marcos. I am an accredited competency assessor for agricultural crops production institute. As you can see, I have here my ID with me. I also have my appointment letter coming from the assessment center manager. Alright, so please allow me to acknowledge the presence of Mr. Jeffrey Dalugo. Sir, good morning. He is our ZSPI AC manager, and Ma'am Jessica Bayutas, our TESDA representative, coming from TESDA provincial office. You don't have to worry about their presence because they're here just to oversee that the conduct of the assessment is in accordance with the competency standard, and they're not the one to assist you. Okay? So at this time, I would like to give you this attendance sheet. Kindly fill out that attendance sheet, and once your name will be called, please acknowledge and indicate your signature. Can I have it? Alright. So, Mr. Denmark Dennis D. Good morning, and Mr. Ray Brian Bravo. Good morning. Alright. So I have here the self-assessment guide also. So you have 10 minutes to fill out that one. That's the indication to know that you can perform and you know all the process and the unit of competencies in agricultural crops production institute. Alright? So including the whole unit of competencies from perform nursery operations, plant crops, care and maintain crops, and carry out post-harvest and post-harvest operations. So let's proceed to the assessment guidelines. So be mindful about the assessment guidelines because this is very important for you to know the following information that you will be abiding the full process of this assessment. Okay, so the purpose of the assessment is to determine the level of your ability. It aims to develop your confidentiality, your resiliency, your performance contingency, and of course, the competency itself. Okay? Any question regarding the assessment guidelines? Anyone? Alright, very good. So, also the pre-assessment procedures, I will be using demonstration and oral questioning only since we don't have any written tests or written exam inclusions with this assessment of the agricultural crops production MC2. And I want you to know that I have to set my proper standard, okay? That the result of this assessment will only two. It will be the competent and the not yet competent. Okay? So if you found competent, what you should do, so you may receive your national certification a day after, prior to the assessment schedule. Okay? And the result of the assessment. All you have to do is you have to provide us your active email address and your phone number so we can send it directly to you at your own pace and at your own convenience. However, if found not competent, what should you do? You don't need to worry about it because you know what? You are going to have, or you can apply for the assessment. All you have to do is you have to apply all the necessary requirements for the assessment procedure and file again for the assessment. Okay? But if you are not satisfied with the not yet competent rated to you, you have the right to file an appeal. And it will be addressed directly to our provincial director. He is Mr. Sir Alan Bakakan, the TESDA provincial office of the Zamboanga Sibugay. Okay? And as a competency assessor for today, candidate, I have some allowable adjustments for you because I am very adaptive with the diversified and different cultures and traditions. So here are some allowable adjustments during the assessment, including the emergency situations, the eyesight problem, if the, the, the candidate cannot understand or may find hard understanding the given instruction with English language. So I, as an assessor, I have to translate it in your own dialect. Is it understood? Any questions regarding with this assessment guidelines and procedures? Okay, so let's proceed to the do's and don'ts of the assessment. So only me as an assessor, our agency manager, and of course our TESDA representative has the right to come in and to roam around in this workshop layout laboratory. Okay? To ensure that this venue is safe for you and with the confidentiality, privacy, and precautionary measures will also highlighted with this assessment. No, for the conduct of this assessment. So any question again? Not? So if there's not, I will proceed. So I have here the competency assessment agreement, meaning that you are agree with the guidelines of the assessment, all the procedures, do's and don'ts, and many things involving with for taking this assessment for the agricultural crops production and safety. Okay, so please read carefully the given instructions, and I will give you time for that. It's only for 10 minutes, okay?
Luy, dito naman yung copy lang.
Wala pa ko nagbuhat. Di ano, nakikapin na ako sa mga ito.
Alright, so I believe you are done. Candidates, so can I have it? Also with
Hindi ko na kaya ang book portfolio. May ano na ko niyang gabi.
You are required, rather, to perform the task within 3 hours. So that will be including the oral questioning, and of course, the very important part of this assessment will be the demonstration. Okay? So I will be observing while you are performing your given task. And once you're done, I'll go ahead and proceed with the oral questions. Okay? For 10 minutes, and all I need is the correct answer. Okay? So if you are ready, so again, any questions regarding the procedure of the assessment? Once again. Okay, so here is your number. Mr. Bravo Brain Brian, you are candidate number 1. Please wear your name tag. And of course, you, Mr. Denmark Dennis, you are candidate number 2. So name tags are provided for you to very acknowledge. So given the necessary tools, materials, and equipment, you should be able to check and perform the basic pre-operative tools, farm implements, and equipment in accordance with manufacturer's manual. So by the way, candidate number 1, let's proceed to the institutional assessment area. Alright. So given the materials, tools, necessary information, with your oral questioning also. So I have here, alright, this will be your PPE. You have to wear that properly, and of course, following the standard procedure of the TESDA, and of course, observe the precautionary measure and safety for your own good. Okay, so you should be able to check and perform the basic pre-operative tools, farm implement and equipment in accordance with manufacturer's manual and GAP standard. Repair and maintain the nursery facilities to maximize their efficiency and effectiveness. And the third, quality seeds are selected according to prescribed characteristics. The fourth, prepare growing media according to prescribed mixture and crop requirement. And the last one, perform pricking and thinning of seedlings based on recommended practices. So make sure that you can perform all this within 3 hours. Okay? So what I'm going to do, I will just be checking. Okay? I will not going to interrupt. You may begin now if you're ready. Please tell me. Alright, you may now begin.
Kanta-kanta di ay. Maghaming-haming di ay.
Alright, time's up. Okay, you may now proceed to your seat. Mr. Ray Ryan, bravo. Alright, sir, are you ready for your oral question?
Yes, sir.
And I believe that you are very ever ready. Okay, so here are the oral questioning. So the pen and paper with you, and of course your writing materials. Okay. Alright. So no extra paper or things on your table. Alright. So are you now ready, Mr. Brian Bravo?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the first question is, this will be for 15 minutes. To protect seedlings from transplanting shock, what agricultural practices will you apply? Blah, 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 blah.
Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, blah.
Okay. And the second question is, what are the possible causes if the seedlings were done off?
Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah.
Thank you. And the last question is, what will you do after picking out seedlings?
Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah.
Alright, thank you so much, Mr. Bravo. Can I have it? So, okay, let me just double check here if we got the correct answer. Just give me a moment for a while, okay? You may not have your break, or if you may wish to drink water, you can drink water there. Apologize, I did not inform you that workout laboratory, they have the CR and everything. I forgot.
Oh, you forgot?
Yeah, I forgot. Okay, so candidate number 1, Mr. Ray Ryan, I'm done with checking your oral output here and necessary. So, Mr. Bravo, how's your performance?
Igat lagi ka, sir.
Oh my God! Oh, you're so talented and everything. Oh, you're so good in performing your task. You know, Mr. Bravo, based on your performance, the evidence that I have gathered during the demonstration that you did a while ago is that you have performed the necessary tool equipment and of course following the standard procedure of the test.
Okay.
And of course following the
Okay.
safety standard, you have done well. And with that, I congratulate you. Oh, congratulations.
Hello, ay bayad today ka, sir.
The 50 items of your oral questioning, you get 49. Congratulations once again. I have really seen here that you are very melancholy and very passionate in the gardening. And you know, the tasks that you perform are very precise, very neat and clean, as I have seen here. Okay, so Mr. Bravo, I want you to know that this certificate, or the National Certification 2 of the Agricultural Crops Production, you may receive the certificate right after this assessment. All I have to provide you is your certificate of assessment summary, assessment result summary, or the CARS. You should bring this with you when you are going to get your certificate, or any active email address will do. Okay? So, all you have to do is just to prepare 50 patches for that one. Okay? So, any questions? Alright. So, once again, congratulations. You can now proceed to the contextual learning area. Oh, hi, Mr. Denmark! Seems that you're so sleepy. Oh, Mr. Denmark, are you good? Feeling good right now? How about your health condition? Do you feel anything bad in yourself? No. Okay, since there's none, let's proceed, Mr. Bravo. No, Mr. Denmark, I forgot. Come on, follow me to the institutional assessment area. Okay. So, Mr. Denmark, I have here given the necessary tools, materials, live equipment for you to prepare for your demonstration. there will be a oral examination right after the demonstration. And the allotted time that I'll give you allotted time for about 3 hours. Is it okay with you? Alright. So, Mr. Denmark, you should be able to check and perform the basic pre-operative tools, farm implement, and in accordance with manufacturer's manual and GAP standard, and repair and maintain the necessary facilities to maximize their efficiency and effectiveness. The third is quality seeds are selected according to prescribed characteristics. The fourth, prepare growing media according to prescribed mixture and crop requirements. Alright, so Mr. Denmark, make sure that you will be using the proper usage of the personal protective equipment or the PPE. Follow me, the guidelines and the standard occupational health measure and standard of the TESDA assessment standard. Okay? So, any questions regarding the demonstration? Okay, so you may begin now.
Masih korek kasi dili-li. Daw siya make-up.
Okay, time to stop. Mr. Denmark, so how's your demonstration? You find it difficult? Because I can see that you're a bit nervous, isn't it? Oh my God, don't feel nervous. Okay, so let me lead to the badness of your performance. Just bear with me, okay? And boost your confidence. Okay, so I am here just to facilitate and just to observe your performances, okay? I will not do anything about with your performance related to you, okay? So, I will give you this test questionnaire. I'm so sorry, there's no test questionnaire involved with this assessment. So, well, in fact, are you ready for the oral questioning that I will be going to ask you? Very right, okay. So, just give me a moment or two. Let me just double check here. Pag another one of mine, I will finish this. Okay, so the question is,
Naka na mo, awas na may.
alright, maraming matagal ko ang okay, just for a minute, okay? I'll give you enough time to rest, okay? So please take your rest in a moment.
Lira. Balon ra og
So, Mr. Denmark, how are you? Are you now? I believe you are now ready for the oral question, isn't it? Alright. So, the first question is, by the way, I will give you 15 minutes for this, okay? So, the first question is,
Alam na, naabot na dito sa institution. Naabot na dito ba? Sige nga na ito. Kaundangon naman ko. Naabot na dito sa...
Thank you. And the second question is, what are the possible causes if the seedlings were damped off?
From kaundangon ako to... Excited.
And the last question is, what will you do after picking out seedlings?
Sa iyong language.
Just give me time to sit here. So how are you, Mr. Denmark? You feel a bit nervous? Are you still nervous? Don't feel nervous, okay? I'm just here to assess. Okay? So, Mr. Denmark, based on the information, based on your performance, the evidences that I have gathered here is that it is very obvious that you really
Sabay
have
rami.
a hard time doing performing your task. Are you aware of that? Is it very obvious? You find it very easy. But no, don't worry. You still have your oral question.
Dali kami sa
Give me time. Just give me some time to check it. Okay?
Lapit
I'll
na.
get back to you after minutes.
Ayan, nagod ka mag-extra-extra. Kaya, 19:55 na.
Alright, so Mr. Denmark, as I can see here, based on the performance and the result also, so you didn't, you failed to perform it and to execute it properly. I do apologize for that one. And of course,
Okay, assessor, stop. It's already time.
Here, we have some difficulties also answering
20, 30 and 1.
So what I have included here in my rating sheet is that you find it not I don't apologize for that. But not to worry, Mr. Denmark, okay? You can file for reassessment. You can file for reassessment if you wish to reapply for reassessment. Okay? So how do you feel right now? Do you feel sad or mad? Okay. But don't worry. If you find it, if you're hesitant with the results or if you are not unsure with the result, you may file an appeal. Direct to our director, provincial director, that's the provincial director, Sir Alan Bacata. Okay? So do you have any question regarding with the results? Okay, please proceed to the conference already area.
Okay, stop na. It's already time. 21 minutes na ka.
20 minutes, pila ka minutes na?
20.
Ha?
20.